I saw a mass. This was across our nation. A wave. I saw a flood of foreclosures coming to the United States. Yes, from the West Coast to the East Coast. Flood. That's the word I heard. Flood of foreclosures. That's all I saw. I didn't see bank crash. I didn't see all that. All I saw was a flood of foreclosures coming in the United States from the West Coast to the East Coast. And in certain cases, real estate was half off. People that could never afford real estate was able to afford it.